Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to access the cPanel on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, as you would like to access the cPanel in GoDaddy, and if you want to do that, we'll have to click at your name here at the top right corner, then click at my products right here. Of course, once you are at this page, you will have to locate where the web hosting is. For me, I don't have it right here because my domain name does not contain that. But of course, for you, you will find it's like under this websites plus marketing, you will find the section, another section, which is web hosting. Just expand it like this one and simply click at manage. Once you do that, of course, you will already be on the cPanel axis. Of course, and you'll be able to edit whatever you want on the cPanel, from file manager to other stuffs. And you will be normally good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.